show wheel first, early youth, and we're doing dramatic skit.
Tell them what the name of it is, by the way.
The skit is called The Birdcage. Excuse me, what you got there?
Some wild birds.
Where'd you find them?
Over in that field.
What are you gonna do with those wild birds?
I'm gonna play games with them.
Games? What kind of games?
Poke them with a stick, scare them, make them fight with each other. That's what I do.
Well, what are you gonna do when you're done playing with games with them?
I'll feed them to my cat. I got a cat that loves wild birds.
You know, I'm really fond of wild birds. I'd like to take those off your hands.
Okay, $5.
Alright, $5.
$10.
$10, okay.
All right, $20. That's my final offer. They're exotic birds.
You found them in a field.
An exotic field.
Well, here you go, $20.
Nice doing business with you.
Here you go. You're free.
He is strong.
I see you looking at the cage.
Yeah.
You know I've got mankind in there,
Mankind? Where'd you find them?
in the garden. The funny thing is, I didn't put them in a cage. They put themselves in there.
Well, what are you gonna do with them now that they're in a cage?
I'm gonna play games with them.
Games.
Games they think are gonna bring them so much pleasure, but will leave them so empty inside. Gonna make right seem wrong and wrong seem right.
Then what?
They'll be damned for all eternity.
You know, me and my father are really fond of mankind.
So what are you trying to say?
I'd like to purchase their freedom.
You want these humans? You know they're no good. They've turned their back on you before and they'll do it again. You're serious?
Very serious.
You know it'll cost you everything. It'll cost you your tears,
Yes.
your blood,
Yes.
your life. Are you willing to give your life?
It's worth it. There you go. You're free now.